Hey, what's up? Hello, how are you? Okay, let's talk about the 2018 No Mint Mark Lincoln Shield Penny in top condition. Yes, in top condition. Okay, let's read first what is written on the coin. In God we trust. Liberty 2018. At the reverse of the coin, the shield. United States of America. E pluribus unum. 1 cent. Okay? Now, let's find out the price or the value of a 2018 No Mint Mark Lincoln Shield penny in top condition. Okay, here we go. The most valuable 2018 penny without a mint mark ever sold was graded MS68RD by Professional Coin Grading Service in 2022 and fetched an incredible $1,799.99. Wow! $1,799.99 for 2018 No Mint Mark Lincoln Shield Penny graded MS68RD. Wow. Okay, that's all. I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting. Have a great day. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.